This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com. The 2022 Bruce Larson's USA #1 open house as Drag Museum. Just walking around the shops and such.
See that?
That is such a sweet ride. Nice. You really don't have to say anything. It's just amazing. That's so cool. This was campaigned in the Northeast during late 50s, early 60s. First raced by Larry Roberts and Porky Zartman under the name Bad News, and was powered by a small block Chevy and C-altered. Bruce Larson purchased it in '59 as his first dedicated drag car. It was named Mr. Clean because it became a stepping stone to a longer career in organized drag racing. Wow. The chassis was repowered with a highly modified engine and 4-speed hydromatic transmission from Bruce's '54 Old, which ultimately became the tow car. It's a '57 J2 under the hood with six 2 barrels, full angle, full race camshaft, extensive head modifications, Scintilla Vertex Magneto. Transmission was beefed up by Von Winter. Combination ram be altered. Wow. This is a faithful reproduction of the original car. Neat. This, I think, was Bruce's first car. This is fantastic. I like it. All the goodies down here. '32 model B5 window coupe. Let's see. Bruce graduated from Camp Hill High School in '55. About that time, built his '32 Ford Hot Rod. Nice. Cool. Here's the car in 1957. Oh. This open house is wonderful. Get to see a whole bunch of... Oh my gosh. We all know that poster. But check it out. Signed. I'm impressed. Hello. Machine shop for building. Fantastic.
Oh, I saw you got a Mustang.
Well, we got a
Toyota too.
we got a chassis and a Toyota body from buying spree.
Yeah, I saw what you got. I saw
A bunch of armchair racing.
Now you just gotta get out. You gotta get out and run it. Get some money. Get out and get on the track so you can get that, whatever it is, 7,500 first round money. Get the hell out of there. Keep your overhead low. Right.
Well, that's the game plan for the second car. I tell Bob, I go,
Rent it.
you know, you rent it, but the thing is that, you know, having these 13 cars, people broke it, these 13 cars.
Just love it. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 Bruce Larson's USA #1 open house. Oh yeah, always taking those videos, you know that. That was Andy from Motorama and Lebanon Dragfest. Look on NortheastWheelsEvents.com to get all the information on his wonderful shows, Motorama Productions. Gosh, that sun machine. That's what I cut my teeth on. I learned how to use the oscilloscope and everything long before everyone was using it. This also has an exhaust analyzer, so you can see exactly what went on. You've got, of course, RPM, combustion efficiency, which is great, measuring your carbon monoxide. That's from your analyzer dwell, and of course vacuum. Everyone forgets vacuum. It's crazy, crazy. Cylinder leakage percentage, and of course volt and ohm. This is a fantastic piece. They were fabulously expensive in the day. Lady Luck over here. Look at that with the Offenhauser heads. 97s. Wow. USA in white. See how these cars are built at this point. This is wonderful. Look how everything's assembled and worked out. Look at that chassis. Too cool. Kind of sexy for the fuel. Nice. That is something else. Talking about equipment again, got the valve grinder, the distributor machine. That's to test your springs. Make sure everything is even and correct. This balances everything. You see all the parts. This is fantastic to see a car in process here. Wow, that's why I love getting into these shops, to see this stuff. Gives you an idea. Speed wrenches. One of the side garages. Hello. Get everyone in here. It's wonderful. We bump into each other at so many of the shows. Great. 18 Deluxe Roadster. 32, of course.
Sunbury, and then once you get down to 15 joints up flat.
I love this hot little coupe.
First time one time he came home by himself.
That's great.
Oh, yeah, he finally, he said, that's a little out of the way. He said, I was way home, he came past Greasewood. Greasewood exit on purpose.
$396. I've not seen this before over here.
not seeing signs from Lancaster. And then, one time,
Nice little Camaro, 68 of course.
72 Lancaster.
Yeah, a little 56 bird.
When I still had tickets, well, Mike always has, because he has a cabin out below the sun. I mean, yeah, so he takes turnpike out there. So he has needs fans. He just right through the ticket booth. Well, Mo went right on through behind him. We get out to the.
And this is what it's all about. Armchair drag racing.
I'm sitting there and it's taking forever for him to get through. Well, what is he doing? Painting with pennies?
It's
So
better.
I get up to the ticket booth and I pay and he kind of gives me my change and he says, here's a receipt for you. Give it to your buddy in front of you. He forgot that he didn't get a ticket at the other end. And he had to pay the highest fare. So we get to the track and we go around the backside of the trailer.
And more out here. This is so much fun, folks.